Yo, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have a faded out grill. This Nissan had a faded out grill where all the clear came off of this grill through the weather, storms, whatever, snow. It just faded away. So we're going to restore it, put the clear back on, which is pretty easy to put the clear back on. Right now I'm putting alcohol to remove all the grime and oils that may be in this plastic so that the clear would adhere to this. So I'm putting alcohol. It's 80 to 100% alcohol. We'll get this off. All I'm doing is removing the oils so it can stick. I mix my own clear 4-to-1. This is the same type of clear I use on cars to clear on car when you paint a car. As you can see, I'm putting the clear on the plastic now. Looking good. I'm bringing back the shine, because this is dull. This is bringing back the shine. I do have paper covering up the rest of the part so the clear won't get on there, but as you can see, some of you guys might say, why didn't you tape up the bottom part? This is actually a car that we're restoring, so I'll just rub it off with some lacquer thinner. As you can see, looks pretty good to me. You see that clear? You see that shine? Brought back the shine. Now the shine is back on there. It looks better. It don't look so dull looking. Looks great to me. You see that right there? Look at it. Look at that. See my face in there. Looking good. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. Thank you. See ya.